Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about the folder redirects, how to do folder redirects via GPO in the domain. So folder redirects is a method to redirect document links or any other links of a client computer and save all those documentations, save all those data in the server. So basically, it use the synchronized method. For example, currently at the document directory, I want to create some file at the client computer. For example, I create official files, or now where it going to save? It's going to save at users test user one. Currently we are logging with, and my documents. So this is the link. You can see C drive users / test user one where we login with, and the documents folder. So these files are saved in the users documents folder. Now what if these files or these folders were saved in the server? How? Let's make out. Now it's a C drive. Currently wants to create a folder. For example, wants to name it as draw folder. So it's like a cloud computing, Dropbox or Google Cloud. So I'm giving everyone permission of co-owner. Share that file and give a permission to co-owner to everyone, so that every user particular can not even edit the folder but even can save it and delete it, whatever they want to. So co-owner of the folder. So what I'm going to do is go to group policy management, and the domains be packagegtv.com, create a link, create a OU and link it with the domain folder redirection, so that user particular will save their file folders at the server and not on the client computer. So edit, user configuration, Windows setting, here the option of folder redirection, and for redirection you will get the option called all the options of desktop start menu. Now I particularly use documents, so to save some data you can use any of the directory of desktop start. So all these files, for example, if you save the folder and files in the documents, then we will share to the server. So I'm using the basic redirect everyone's folder to same location. You can even go to advanced option, select the user groups particular for the folder, but I want to use a basic one. Now the target folder will be you can select the by default one. I will select the by default. You have more options there. Redirect to the user. So I'm just going with the by default one, and with the shared folder, the shared folder which I give is /dc1 slash let me check, C drive is draw folder. Remember, you have to give the shared path at the shared link, not the by browsing C drive or draw folder, otherwise we would get the error, since it would be the local path and not the network share path. So I'm just going to continue with the yes. Currently giving the warning. Why giving a warning? Let me go to settings and it's saying that also apply redirection policies to Windows 2000, 2000 Server, XP, and Server 2003 operating system. This redirection thing is the for the latest version of the operating system after Vista 7 and latest version of operating system. But we want for the legacy versions also, like XP 2000, Server 2003. So I'm just selecting yes, and I have to just now needs to update the policy, your policy, GP update space slash force. Updating policy. And asking me to log off. So yes. Now I'm reached to client, same GP update space slash force for the quick update, updating the policy. Yes. Okay, so currently this is job folder, and you can see the two directory is created. Administrator is the local administrator user of Windows 7, and test user is user 1 is the domain user. Currently we are logging with in the 7. Now you can see at the documents we are saving some files, and it's now whatever file we're going to create. For example, I'll just create a notepad. So whatever we're going to create, it will be saved in the server and not going to be anywhere. So for example, save, giving some title, save, create more. Those will be saved in the server. For example, BMP image, and you can see the state, the synchronization option, the synchronize option. Basically, all the time refresh. This icon means synchronize center. This icon means that your data is refreshing. Data is refreshing the server. This means all your data is saving the server, the domain server, and that's what synchronization means. Syncing your data. So administrator is the local one, test user one, but currently as denying it, but we can even check those. It's not a good practice to check those. It's not a good way to steal the data or saw some data until unless you have a permission to the user particular. So I just gained the right. Now you can see I can able to see those data just for the tutorial purpose. That's the reason. Otherwise it's not a good practice to saw the data. Now whatever data is saving the 7 is going to the server, and not a single data is saving in the client computer. That's it. That's a big deal. Okay, I think compressed is a folder will not get the option. I think let me delete that. Rest all will be synchronized since Sensing, keep on sensing. Hope you learned something about the forward redirection via GPO. Thanks for watching.